Oh my god, I'm like so happy right now because today I came home. It's a Wednesday. Sorry, I'm a mess. I'm just very happy. So I came home and my dad said there's a package for me, right? And so I opened it and I saw something. And if you all watched my Christmas wishlist video, I said that I really wanted this thing for Christmas. And this isn't technically like supposed to be a part of my Christmas gift present, but my parents or my dad just decided to give it to me right when it came in the mail because he knows I'm gonna want to use it before Christmas. And I really want to use it before Christmas. So today I'll be doing my first impression or review on the Canon G7X Mark II that I got today in the mail. Woohoo! But I'm very happy. Expect a lot more videos. Let's open this up. So my dad got this off of eBay because he got it for $100 cheaper than it would have been if he got it like brand new. And oh, this is the Canon G7X. Okay, I am in love. It basically looks brand new. It was bought used from a seller, so it was $100 cheaper than it was originally, but in the description it said that it was never used, so basically the person got it as a gift and ended up never using it, so that was really nice. If any of you guys ever are looking for electronics or just like anything in general that's usually kind of expensive, especially electronics and tech stuff like computers, cameras, phones, eBay is a great place to go. Everything that I've gotten from there so far has been like flawless condition, like basically brand new. Okay, so another thing that came with my camera is this camera case, and obviously the charger, also the battery, which looks like this, and this is the charger. I'm gonna charge it right now, guys. How do you get the actual charging metal thing out of the camera? Oh, I got some, that's a nice bundle. Looks like I'm gonna have to read the manual because your girl does not know how to use the freaking charger. Oh, okay. So there's two different types of like charger pack things. And one of them is the original one, which probably a lot of people have, where like that charger metal thing just pops out, like you pull on it and it pops out. But this one's different, which is what the cord is for, so you need to actually plug it into that and then charge it. I got an SD card too, guys. Oh, I'm like shocked. It's like oh, I never even knew these existed. It's an SD, so it's an SD card inside this thing, and the SD card connects to this thing that makes it like a USB thing, and you can just plug it like a USB. You know, today was a really good day. Definitely a lot better than yesterday. Like, it was just a really good day, but I really did not think it could get better. Okay, so now it charged. Ooh, I'm so excited to just like record with it. Let me just okay, so the battery goes right here. Turn it on. Look at this. Okay, so this is how it's filming right now. That's like what the interface looks like on the screen. Okay, now that the SD card's in, if you don't know, this is what the Canon G7X does. It has a flip out screen, and this is also why so many YouTubers use it. It also has really good quality. It has I believe it's 20.2 megapixel camera, which is really nice. I think it's the same quality as this camera that I'm filming on right now, which is a Canon EOS 70D. It's a DSLR, and this is a lot more compact and easier to carry around. So this is why I think this camera is very advantageous for those of you who like to vlog and have a YouTube channel. Let's actually test out the footage and see how well it works, like the autofocus and everything. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's recording. I hope it is. So this is the Canon G7X footage. I'm holding it right now just with one hand, and I'm just panning it around so you guys can like see. I don't know, this is not like really stabilization, but I guess I'll move it up and down and move it closer and farther in. I'll later look back and see. Sorry, I keep looking at myself because I'm just so gorgeous. I know it has a zoom. I'm not sure how to do the zoom. There you go, I'm doing it right now. So this is how the zoom works. Look at that. And I'm pretty sure you can hear the little zooming noise, so we'll check that out on the footage. In terms of like the blurry background-ish, I'm actually kind of seeing it. I see it especially like my bed is blurry right now, which is really nice. I'm kind of in a well-lit place and I love it because it's not yellow. Like, it actually looks white. The color of the video looks more natural, like whiter instead of yellow. It should, like on my camera, on my DSLR that I'm filming on, the light is actually yellow. Autofocus, so I'm just gonna go back and forth. Okay, so you see that took a while to focus, like on my eyes. Like isolate the eyes, for example. So that took a while. Because what I heard with this camera is that it does not have that great of autofocus, which can be kind of like annoying. Like, see, it focuses, it just takes a little bit longer than like a DSLR can. So in my opinion, this camera is definitely worth to get. I don't know how the sound is gonna be. Basically what I heard is the sound is fine in like a room setting, but once you film outside when you're running, when there's like wind and stuff, then that's when the sound becomes kind of like very windy. But based from what I see and what I know, I would say this camera is definitely worth it. Get it off of eBay if you're looking to get it. I know Amazon has some really nice bundle kits and like brand new is definitely nicer. The conclusion is this is a great camera. You guys should definitely invest in it. Basically the point of this video was not to show off. I'm just so happy and I just want to, like, you know, put this out there that I have this camera now. I'm gonna be filming a lot more videos. Also, didn't have a video for this week, so if you have any video ideas, please comment them down below. Please also make sure to go check out my channel, subscribe. I love all of you, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!